Okay.
Sana make a bangle cry, make course school. No.
Let down, sir.
And yeah.
Okay.
Okay. To be like the normal child.
Okay. Early 40s. Said I yes, Miss. Early 40s. Said I yes, early 40s. Said I yes, Miss Row in our 40s.
And into me too for nature has a way of adjusting us.
Okay, over time.
To the realities of life. Yeah.
Okay. We're just. By the way, that was say waji and Phil say yembana no metritrin and como. Me pesa me do call 1938. No na fear ye wo. Earliest memory of childhood den. So we kai say we abofa no earliest memory quite say.
Titi asam na oka no. Me can say 41 to honor. Minya awareness say. Me fear back Kumasi you fear bear me no anamiensa. Baby abako na nipa ho bebre. Me ma me fear me papa fear sabe nti sabe wo moto nipa mu bebre nti na me kai no.
Okay.
Minuanom doso.
Okay.
And minyini dudu omu pa.
Okay. Enti ka o ma mi fio papa fia na ke say wa o mo fase na nko ese bia enane ejate faako.
Kumase sabe me ma me no ani fie no misro kwa maka say nipa ho cha me papa fie.
Okay.
Ote ono no ho na say.
Okay.
Na me papa so no oye hini nti ono so you can imagine o nyina so astanfo.
Okay. Nti na ono papa ayonko fa wo montem etesen na oben no.
Me ntimi kran describe.
Okay.
Me papa that time we are here now sabi ya demand di hine.
Okay.
Ni madoso.
Okay.
Obi onimu bi abaka was I was this the pet Ubeno. Papa close. Okay. Till his death, 58.
Okay. Is there any special memory of One Wapa? Like any special day, like a highlight of One no, like Anamuntu?
I told you, I'm Kurani Didi.
Okay.
From Kodabrim.
Okay.
Sabi, when Kumasa, or he on new being twins, and this my papa no one me did from
Kodabrim. Like I said, Uben and Kassan, Papa. Na yɛhwɛ nipa impo Bible mu ɔmobɛdi man so te sɛ David mo ne Saul mo ɛne sankɔfo na wohwɛ ɔmo abakɔsɛm na ɛsɛ prophet ne nkɔfo ɛwɔ niwa edi kan ɔmo hyɛ wɔn nkɔm sɛ bi adaache woba bɛbu man so woba bɛyɛ woba bɛdi hene woba bɛyɛ sa. Did you have that kind of encounter ɛwɔ Nkwadabere mu ana?
Nyame Nkwadabere mu.
Okay.
But somehow, not my papa, they were no treatment. I'm so officers say you raised me especially.
Papa, no, who be bisa?
Bisa.
Was there a moment here or pass comments be a obe kaisa?
Kumasi dudona yeah. Or said that my boy bangle bitumen sakura. Me did 5 years me call school. And you used to have the infamous.
Yeah, the bangle to one sir. It's saying gold and brass
mixed copper, steel or whatever.
Papa na yede to one sir.
Papa na yede.
Now or the year for sad leadership I don't know.
Well, whatever motivated him, they mean to me can. Na fe me deep I can say 8, 9. Every year now of Kumasi or Sampa. So in Sampa from Kumasi to Sampa. And the distance would be about 150 miles. But in those times, bed driver from Kumasi through Wenchi, which was, I believe, the district capital, colonial times, so there 47, 48.
Okay.
Now, I also Sampa on the border with Cote d'Ivoire.
Okay.
Now, I said, for spiritual visit to Bisa. Now, Nimekwa Bakosa. I want a home in Fono because I could away that your baby, but
no, Namna, Omcasa.
No more they cat, what they serving him quite nadia. Now, it's Madame put name phone by.
Akola with that one be nipebi. Okay. It's Uber can say, now I am come share that dada.
Sana akokora no papa.
Ote.
No gidi say.
Okay. Enti yemra unyi mu no. Uko suku Kumasi a.
Yes.
Edeba was 8 to 2 boys.
Started primary school, Kumasi Government Boys School.
Okay.
Sana make a banger cry, make Kosa school no.
Ne da won sa.
And yeah.
Okay. Okay.
It's to be like the normal child.
Okay.
And I'm called government school for my fancy from there 45 to 50-51. They had me call boarding school.
1951.
So 82 boys boarding school.
82 boys. And now if you hoba prempe.
Yeah, 54.
Sata na prempe no ko mu bi enche bia sa.
Oh, prempe mu bi in 49.
Okay. Enta enche bia nye mfie mroso bia and now the call. E won so ko di mfie be sen.
5 years.
5 years. Enti now be kan say oye abofra bia wadwi mu adọ a unimu nhoma ana umre was adesua ho obekai
me mra adesua ho da.
Okay.
The prempe there me feel there now was the star student.
The star student. Okay.
The final year possible prizes for my form 6 5 collected in 6 no cry they pleaded with me the school authorities say I'm from the next person.
I said utika
Neka. Ka subjects ana me papa.
Okay. Eti unuanu mu nyina o ma memba mu no na ke se hu ne se wo dance ana.
Me David. Me ma no originally 10. Obia one dey.
Obia kita na chede sonko ana o de nam. E na o ma me so ware mpen nan.
Na so what research
me research.
O catch up some mama ware mpen nan. Yeah, so
okay. E na o ma me so no ni suit say hu ne say what saying.
A very strong woman.
A strong woman, strong-willed.
Strong-willed. Like I said, very intelligent, shrewd.
Okay. Shrewd.
Shrewd.
Okay.
And she was a leader in her own right.
Okay.
Kumasi obia ni me kura wa wu koda dada no obia boni din sila.
Obia tini aboni din. And who ne say said na otie no, the sutie no e boa moldi you in any way ana.
Well, the side no ni abema. Ni na ono trained in government teacher training college at Bayachmota. Where teacher ni. They were just the two of them.
Okay.
And Niniano made sure that the sister me no. Discipline and power.
Okay.
On my me 2 man yet.
Okay.
And somehow my who said that roles we was a play for society. And Sana
netie. It does not almost see mu atwen bibi sonko bi.
I'm saying no more sense. It's a bit my baby.
Okay.
Because they had everything. Kumasi womu fie no. Me ma fie no.
Efipa.
Properties, den. Womu. Anti nini abema no so nini abema so na epanyin. Na me ma me. Family no ni womu of ankokra they made sure say obewo afie no.
Okay.
So all 10 of us.
Okay. Yanko prempe back. Prempe no uko school ho no ye wo nipa bi no mu a wo kai wo mu a ombeji di a wo free satama na wo.
One my found in Makada. You my do teacher school. 50 boys. Na boys school.
Okay.
Bakube governor of the central bank. Baku Cross the deputy governor, central bank. Doctors, medical school professors, agriculture, forestry, administrators, lecturers in universities.
Pempene school papa.
We almost had that school, no, the then colonial government, and the then Asante Presbyterian Church and Methodist Church no more agree so much. It was the first secondary school for Asante.
Oh, Asante region.
Asante that time, so now Nibra for your one Asante Nibra for the whole area was Asante. Until buys until 49. Na mrante ni ade nyina fi ho no ba school mpoano ba secondary school mpoano until 49 no na sana mekan the Asante ni government say Asante so munya mo school no mo dete
enti me fa ne say na ke say wo ya ko late teens mo na odi wie prempe enti at that time na ke say bia you are gradually becoming your own man.
Naturally,
yeah. It's at this point, looking back, what now who say what's that tea who are dear per se?
Yeah, tell say
oh yeah.
My cousin mammy will 10. Maybe I'm tossing so. Now when me do many performances, I didn't know me do much impossible. Now only I want you
okay.
Me mammy firstborn Sante Hinira, Pamper the second year. Firstborn, watch me bear 15 years. For that year, so I did 102 cc.
102? Wow.
Ni nana ni Napo, Dr. Napo.
Okay.
Ni Baba ni Napo. Ni Otoso Professor Kufuor. Age 26, nyani PhD. That time, Minister na Santi Obia Nyabisa, or Bristol University. PhD, chemistry. Check obey the longest serving professor crowd. Oma onanu sisi okwa chemistry lab bi ni din na daso. Na otoso miensa oba Mrs. Dodu nikunu be registrar of Legon. Neba be pro-vice chancellor of Legon. Sisi em so ye abane osigo. Me NPP on the NDC. Or Jubilee House or President Mahaman Muna Ejuma. No fast. Mam yenu edi manim. Na barristers trained in Britain. Near the adi. Nti me tosun so. Na hwe mpanimfo say di wanim na wo anjiro ho. Ayira. You do much Dr. Kufuor, no Minister of Defense. Me call Oxford University, and also call Cambridge University. You do an George Kufuor, call Belfast University, business near there. The last one, Oba, Nebana ye apajahini sisi.
Yeah.
Also, you done for pa ne wareno Dr. Kwakukanga Medical.
Okay.
I'm a pioneer student of the Medical School of Ghana. No, for your younger sister. Yeah, Mubaya, we are in France, so architect. That's the sort of family.
No film.
Feedback.
Into over prempe hono at that time na wo hwe wa dwemu na wo hu ne say what start hu nia wo pese wo ye.
50s, early 50s no. Na Ghana nya independent Gold Coast. Na by 54 na politics in Ghana.
Shall say peja.
Yeah, mu year dem pa. Hona opposition group no. I'm sorry, I'm quite a national liberation movement in Asante at least, as opposition to CPP. Me fear na home office now. And Tim Penny for war opposition munina Professor Buzia, Dr. Danko Baba Kumasi Baba Safio, Victor Osu, Bobodini Aram Ponsa. Until now, we are a young man, about 15, 16, who went until naturally. Impressionable age.
Yeah. Yeah. It's from Prempeno. And how do any chair UK?
From UK, 59 to read for the bar, lawyer.
Okay. Was it your first time and now to UK?
First time in Kwabrichi.
Okay. It's all corner back then.
Yeah, I catch them say yellow.
Okay.
Me tisuye me kwaya and me resource kakra me nya prempenti.
Okay.
Ajime. For Lincoln scene.
Okay.
59 me fancy be May June baby.
That time no 50s no. O kwa na ene na your aeroplane when said in the
aeroplane na
emuli to say na na
British Overseas Airways so they
okay
BOAC
okay
and the quiet na me fancy the 2 days na quiet
okay
to from Accra they see Barcelona
okay
they to enumerate could do Barcelona best at 3-4 am okay I try and no pack Accra and San Emma so they London Heathrow
okay things were different back then.
We are seeing very different. Some can jet flights in Niho.
Okay. Inti what could do? A chance and wash his grass.
Well, Nama Kunta, West Indian one naturalized Ghanaian. Her name is Sister Midinachi Directs. Yawari. My sister, Mrs. Campbell, West Indian, the honors were. I don't know a law. My contact so brilliant man. On any time, law bear me fancy bear 56, 57. I broached or be a barrister that year or top exams.
Okay.
Until woman never share me. Near programs that me quite a lot. To me, woman demand me to register I'm all in concern.
Okay.
No, my mom advised how to study. Fortunately, near office or London. My mom taught them.
Omame taught them were brutally in the 50s. Yeah. Which takes me to the question of Omame, successful woman back in the 50s. No, na a Juma Ben Sana.
Oh yeah, sabi you. Fear no free teaching. You know, we are heavy power. Resources are making. Do I him?
Okay.
Focus or worry 4 times in. My phone, you know, be a champion in their own right. No more property. On the property.
Then she was well.
But they were all solid men.
Solid men. Okay. Until now, yeah, entrepreneur be a nice.
Well, one sassy. It's a business.
Okay.
For it's a trading crowd. Be a Ninkwada be trade. No.
Okay.
On the hotel, Bapena of Refuge.
Wow. And then it's exciting. Say, casting your mind back. Say 50s now. Ghana maybe war a dying war.
Oh, I call London and Maxwell Hill, North London. But what Alexandra Palace, so in London. Naturally, and if you know.
Location is where you come.
Papa.
It's a honor coin. A bush and
5-bedroom house. And my sister see. You know, when Campbell.
Okay. Okay.
And their cousin Bisoso. Not yet.
No, okay. From that time now, she is school. I say I was at the Kufuor law. A didn't was saying.
Maybe 1 year, 8 months, maybe a law.
Okay. A didn't was saying between that time, no. A didn't was saying na Udishia Teresa.
Oh, maybe a lawyer. I was called to the bar 1961.
Okay.
Because British 59.
Okay.
By mid 61. So 1 year, 8 months. I was called to the bar.
Okay.
But 22 years in the Kakra. Now, 1 more year, Republic Day anniversary, 1st July, in Ghana, 1960, Ghana year Republic. 61 anniversary, no more dance bio, Battersea Town Hall, Ghana community. Until me young lawyer, Mikobi. Now, Satan, Bruni Babina, Menenam.
Now, no, or you are Kanchma.
Madame Fuano.
Madame Fuki.
Now, my classmate be or no such as you need to send me a doctor or Kumasi. Me who had the correct hand. I don't know we are and son and never could not phone me. Kofi Obako dance and I'm Subako. Now come also Baba also on the Oma and no catch them say girl be or where nursing war Scotland. About London, about Snack Oxford. Missing Oxford, I didn't make Oxford. I went in nursing or I midwifery Oxford University Hospital. Kufuor na dance na sia Sheniye.
Okay.
Na wo there do our okron one we public life bebo akom.
Okay.
Abrofo no mfa nru ba bia. Mad okam me group pa. Okasam. Nti ba kan na dem tram pass me ne broni ba ne ko dance. Ya kwa me tutuma ni ane koto.
Antieni. We say ho no nim so na no kana asem.
Oh, that be say we so we make Kumasi for ne papa ne mama nyina we my wife ne Kumasi. But na nye close no me nuan bi na mfo. But madam fi na mama adwene ba no so.
Okay.
Nti me hu no ho no ni adam fo bi on so. Yeah, can Mrs. Rollins ni papa ni.
Okay.
Na no ni obay no.
Okay.
Osa my son e frɛ. Nti me hu no dance floor ho na yenyina asada me ne broni adam fo yi. Really na akudda osa my ni. There is an channel catch us say. Me any exchange.
And I do broni ne ma o say so ne nsa. And I want matter is.
And I me busa na I say we Scotland was there. Na dia also work Oxford or Radcliffe Infirmary or the midwifery.
Okay, adwuma wo
train as a midwife. While we nurse in Scotland.
Okay.
And I was making chance. I was making Oxford. My law.
Na kese nyame ahyehyɛ de no.
Madam, nyame na ahyehyɛ no de fa madam for kwame apia so. This one.
Eti Usha now 22 years.
Oh, 22, 3 months or thereabouts.
And
4 months. Yeah.
And I know that worry now will be 23 thereabouts.
Yeah.
And is it what
worry such a minute?
Oh. Eti like I said 1 year mwana.
Yeah, now 461. Na me 62 no me Oxford. Me person me sam be register Ghana as a lawyer. I go tell you me a lawyer. But we had law na seniority near the into Uber register has also. Into me by Ghana by February 62.
Okay.
My by register. Na me ko Kumasi kochia. My wife ni papa ni mama ni Kumasi.
Okay.
Kajiti omu fio. We nim some kochia panini ni papa no. 2 weeks I mean na papa no famu we.
Like I said, worry and the one.
Na nyang worry.
Okay.
But na me bana na mfo nti me kochia na because me ni me nyina na kochia Oxford wa metim college crowd ya no ayeduane abra me ni ade tina ware ni wet nti me fi ha no me fi Ghana san koye no na ye engagement
ewo UK
ye fi ho am September me fi koye no be March or baby yeah engagement September. My brother, Mr. late Statesman,
yeah.
Only the then finance minister of Ghana. We have a conference be. And into Nini and Babani at the engagement. And I said, young worry. Until 8th September 62. And they worry.
You have such a retentive memory.
Once in a lifetime. Into judgments and the mommy. Sorry.
Means in India, I say, Ojawari one and some answer.
No, Papa never did that.
No, Papa Efimo. And see, a Bribemuna, law, no, who decided this affair, what the politics, ne,
the Oxford, no, me a barrister already.
Okay.
Until we call Oxford as a lawyer. My first year, no, be a law. But Oxford one pass first year, you be ready. Until me pass year, no, you me back Ghana, me san quiet. Me imagine say, me alone in a me me person me philosophy, politics, and economics. Because I actually that time, no, better name Punina, no, more prime ministers and politicians, like I say, no. So our subject no normally train philosophy, politics, and economics.
So is this to suggest, say, at this point, you know, now what decided say I'm going to be a leader?
Maybe
be a leader. Okay.
And then I'm degree 64.
Okay. They say, like I said, we get on some law, we get on some politics, economics, also another philosophy. So I can't want and a brave so na we decided to finally most free UK.
Now me free on Menya Juma. Mr. Ghana Commercial Bank, Omo City, Hotel London City, the financial capital at that time, the whole world. I'm saying Wall Street to crunch. The commercial bank go more branch go. The Omo family. So legal officer. and also a banker, a manager. That time I think I must have been 24, 25. Yeah, Katua Bibia, my wife was any as one Golders Green. Make an first year now near Ubako.
Anyway, early 20s, not as a life as I take you off.
I take you off
completely.
Into me, yeah, Juma was city, you know, I have message if you buy. My mom is sending message there. So, Miss my yellow and India, Mimfia, which is I'm Ragana. Because that time, now my brothers and my sisters in scattered all over the world.
Okay. It was a dainty now, not Obia de Etukwan, but say Unquan with you.
Some in my real law, Oxford. What you have with your Yajma Pisca. I was a giant, never fear, never fear.
It's okay, and I want to put it.
What should I make tickets? So I had the ship in buy MV or Rio.
Okay.
The first class tickets, but me, you're in Kodam Kitwamin.
And I offer.
Now, I heard me, I could do it.
When say, how many days now?
2 weeks. 2 weeks. I could find Real Liverpool. Near Bay or Tamasi.
And I'm straight to Kumasi.
Straight, you do enough. Go my bishop now.
Okay.
Commercial bank for Nankomu, fees of my no, but I'm straight back to Kumasi.
And what I could do, Kumasi, or buy an open.
You could do fear man for share many idea. We are learning India, law. The next day, Victor Osu, Mr. Onsu, said 79, on a PFP for you as a presidential candidate.
Okay.
And the chambers near front of Confornochi chambers. And I acquired Victor.
I don't know
from 65.
Udi how long or once and on Nubenya appointment or the law firm hono ija.
Oh, by January 65. Nagana didn't Kufuor can history now and what the situation was.
Okay.
Dr. J.B. Dankwano that detention war. And so we do January, February, Veteras Dankwa.
Freezing. Okay.
Tina Ayabasa, following February 66, na soldier for near coup d'etat. Omi Yakuno, and Umba Frame, Miss Senior Victor Osu, Omi an Attorney General of Ghana. Into the chambers with Jama, another senior episode of Usia, many Usia, no judge chambers in mine.
Okay, into Oba and Anchelia as a chambers, and they say, only another person.
Usia was the senior, and maybe the junior.
You're junior. It's a brain moana, Oba a town clerk now.
About 2 years later.
2 years later. And at that time, no, town clerk, was it by appointment or? Oh,
that be apply a public office,
okay.
Public Service Commission.
Okay.
No more advertising.
No more advertising.
Until we have 5 near co-compete lawyers.
Lawyers 5. And I'm competing at your PKO.
I never pick him.
It's any Nanka, now, yes, in front of Kumasi Mayo.
Well,
back then.
Nadia will be able to do any from me. But that time, assembly, no, after Kuno, management committee. Yeah, Nana Kufuor and Obedi Asante in 1970. No, committee member.
Okay.
The high-powered people, registrar of Kumasi University, Mr. I don't know a member, Dr. Selby. I'm paying for sir.
And a free a horn so no. The next big position I find is Unya no. A debut.
I don't call parliament. We call by Constituent Assembly. May hold me as Sergeant 3 years.
3 years.
67, 68, 69.
Okay.
Town clerk.
Okay.
Yeah, I manage Kumasi, medical officer of health, city treasurer, city engineer, conservancy, education. They work to me as town clerk.
At this point, still military nana.
No soldier for.
Yeah,
soldier for.
Yeah,
69, 68 na soldier for no. Yes, we buried in the country to constitutional rule.
Okay.
Into set up Constituent Assembly. And so it was elective.
Okay.
For all of Ghana. Nank of Kumasi na me person me a town clerk. But that time, Panyini Bakwan and Mwedu Pa wo Kumasi, Dr. Alex Chamatin Papa. He had been town clerk, colonial times. ɔne no ɔyɛ Kumasi Zoo ne so in Kumasi Cultural Center ne time ne nyinaa nti but ɔno na sogyafoɔ no afrɛ no ayɛ ne local government commissioner me offer virtually and yawa na ɔde message fi akraba sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔ constituent assembly nti sɛ mekasɛ mekɔ challenge na
ɛnyɛ nti ɛnɛ ma wode kɔ atwoma no
ɛna ma mede kɔ atwoma atwoma so sɛbi yɛnkura ase ne adeɛ nyinaa hɔ ne wɔ
nti ɛhɔ ne yɛkɔtoo bo so abaa na
yɛtome so abaa ɔne obi challenge me main one yɛfrɛ Mr. Manu bi
Mr. Manu
but atwomafoɔ no mene yɛde ma me nkawe ba constituent assembly 68-69 69 ne yɛde wie constitution
okay
nti every week biara no for bare 4 days no yɛda drive aba yɛba meetings a no masan kɔ
okay so now we abɛyɛ member of
saa time no na yɛte Progress Party
okay
Professor Buzia incidentally me so 60-61 Oxford University me bɛkɔ no me referee ne Professor Buzia the one who feed it exile by no na sojafoɔ no yɛ no civic education Center for Civic Education I'm sure what you know bibia na to some papa
was so papa no no was a anyonkofa
enti me ba constituent assembly no na ne fie odoko yɛte party no me fi constituent assembly na Ghana mpanimfoɔ nyinaa so ne converge hɔ
na mokɔ sa
and edit Progress Party enti me founding member of Progress Party
enti yato aba
and 69 no yato aba for parliament
okay
enti me gyina atwoma hɔ a na me win here
na win here
me ba parliament in Buzi Assistant Government no I am deputy foreign minister
nti Buzi anso ba ya na nche bia wantimi anya the full term no
2 years 3 months
na military for no sign ekanya wo mo ho minim say you na dey so na na ye be che wo do call prison nti back then obi a wo wabɔ wo bra tutu kwan ne ade a wo ya parliamentarian a ya che wo do akɔ with other people no how was it like
and easy.
Okay.
And easy. Big names are those days, but do running in the Ashford prison, be the Kumasi prison, be the Sunyani, be the Srim, all over the country. Baby on Benye, be on Chile.
Ah, much was my head.
Hey, our government are failing. And the Yakogum, Metra 1 year 3 months.
Yeah, I think say. Democracy is say we don't appreciate it because we hear story how can back then na enye asem keto akra
oh na nya easy na kura nya easy
okay
nya easy but this is still the best government we must have because it takes account of the citizenry as a whole the constitution also sovereignty resides in the people as a pass to me you nipa nsambia as a nipa nya kwan select who should be their leader
absolutely
why any yesu aso munya to me catch us head as a twon
na ko
a better chance obi a onim no be free soldier la ba no ababu
o di tu aba was we ko
ya na nye yesu ko awntimi nko no bekum na obi was
enti mo call Ashford prison no ukodi a year and
3 months
e wo ho o ba back no enti one day military for no just woke up and decided say omu yi mafio
then man sabing ranche kakra onkoda no independence anniversary 6th March 73 no mujai but seniors maybe them 1 year 6 months
okay it's almost selected bi no muja
because initially Ashford and 54
okay
54 no back with the kotocha no kra mo wi
why
Moses Darocha Mr. Darocha ni nyan kumabia
okay
be fa ne dem be 2-3 months and no probably no better no koye 2 days later na fe about torturing more from
that time no na say military for ni ginamu a enti
wo di ya kopim 79
this time no o started the Kufuor entrepreneurship
business
okay business bensa na okokoye
timber because my family no side the biome
okay
Back was in those days, no, the biggest Ghanaian timberman.
Okay.
Kotakra deni a was on money there. Kumasi. Inti Takra de me introduce me to Abrofibiano Motor timber.
Okay.
Inti
now you export.
Exports.
Okay.
And I fame transports. Articulated trucks. Bakokra me Santo buses me. And the tipper trucks.
Okay.
And me also me love for Pakupani construction. Bricks, red brick. And into by 78, 79, got machinery from Brazil.
Okay.
Yeah, a brick and tire factory. Or a ferry at Mango Biaja. Baby, I know my regional hospital. Just across the road, Ashanti Brick and Tire.
Ashanti Brick and Tire. And a timber no so na friend say.
JAK.
JAK na. We here then na wutimi eye as a what sua there wo there office law politics and that but wutimi san so be here business.
Business sabi. But my professor Krana so I know business or betimi so. Okay, into who grade one will you call yourself say you were successful at business and so on? Successful in the sense that I depend me independence.
Okay.
To me, cancer cost contest here. We sabi me resources near there. Me to me the contest.
Okay.
So on your business now, koye regular employee. To say be a buy a koye manager biwo. Me fancy banker na watch radia. But then when you ada diako, keep chatting back to one British. And our transport, articulator, lorry, cop, Bamako, and Ababisa. But business, no.
Wow, what me wadi? It is Abraham Nana, what you come say?
Me buy Accra Parliament 69.
Utu betananka.
Man san got na Kumasi. Be ameko, and every time every week be ana.
Na ukoba.
Be ameko, but Accra became my.
It is Abraham ma Teresa so buy no.
Ono initially ma wo Tech Hospital, Kumasi University.
Okay.
And actually, a bus must settle Accra 68, 69. On born buy. Until you buy no brochure, so time near man so before. And we call the chance near my form in our school work as a king.
Okay.
And now with that prison, you will last one, come 5.
Into the prison now, you walk it one day, when not to say, oh, buy.
I buy now, I know the best 10 months ago.
Oh.
And into but my wife and actually one Coco clinic.
Okay.
One of your first matron, Oko Canesia.
Okay. Na minim say Teresa you be a Ope Christo some ne.
I quite feeling quite a brim.
Okay. It's not as well.
Only the fear for you.
As well not chonko.
Christ the King.
Now sorry.
No me Catholic.
Okay.
But actually me sure ne man say is going to convert him ko join we no.
And Emma Ben na is ko say.
O man nyina so Catholics.
Okay.
Me so I kwesi adema kwesi omno ko. Back no one who say like.
Okay. International say we also don't watch.
Back at some say daddy obia nkwada classmates me ade papa ne ma me nyina de. O de okwesi ya wa no aje ho. Na no na. Me ade na msinya me back. So back Anglican or Methodist. Ko Catholic na mko join we.
And I could join one. Now we don't go. Now practicing. Okay. It takes me to the question of Freemasonry. Yes, we are Freemasonry.
Freemason there 67.
And now we do
as a young lawyer in Kumasi.
And now
because me fear for me and Pajina Mekan near Namfo. Obi no me na Masons.
Okay, no me Masons.
And I jam intimates no problem.
And Ghana had you can so be a Freemason. I shall imagine say if any Illuminati or Ghana has it. Oh,
Illuminati in them say latter day term being and Kufuor.
Okay, into no Illuminati.
Not when these are different. Freemason.
Freemason.
Now, minim say I brought an influence of the 3 British one.
Okay.
Well, English Constitution, Scottish Constitution, Irish Constitution. Me initially, 67 started off as a Scottish. Kumasi, Lodge Kumasi was a Scottish constitution. But my background, foreign affairs, so me can say deputy foreign minister. Yet lodge for no Orbis to serve the world, and also me quite founding member.
Okay.
The honor me be master of the lodge.
Master of the lodge. Okay. It's na me baby I can say Ghana ha ye can say lodge I say deeper through say
oh it's idea no adia onim anga na obesro
I almost say
so na me about black tie bow tie ni yakwa kutabe na ya tututu nyum sa obi wuni akosie no aba na bia mo bia ngofo se ekonya ne sabi nipa wuni ade antisa enti
sade no so ase say unye sikani a men join e na omukwa wokwa by all means ube sikani ne sane me
nyano kure
and other na e mad ye intimate dom females
sabio me can den fit to time no when you say vote kura trabe o sha ba bit celebrate yom colonize wi asefa by 1920s ya na ma ho for makura nya vote
okay
tradition yeah
okay eti yemra to why business na beti 1979 na say no I think Kufuor ne bae
General Kufuor
e bae
that's one check and Rollins
e bae only PNDC for be adwuma briefly
the prison till 79 Misanko Parliament
okay
so time na PFP by Popular Front Party your party no Progress Party yentam kote and been mkoye UNC ya Pauli Medion manim and been muso Victor Osu senior man no ye law ono and 1979 election you lose year and Dr. Hilary Man PNP onya power
okay
me I was in Parliament as opposition member spokesperson on foreign affairs for PFP. Honestly, the 2 years, 3 months now, Rollins is signed by you.
It's not be two, no?
New Year's Eve, no, oh yeah. And actually, MP for both government and opposition. Until my name was signed for Ashafort. Opposition, but they didn't move by 1 week, you know. Them so being Kufuor for say, sir, I buy no new opposition for. PMP are buying nego. Until Omujai, I'm 34 of us.
Okay.
Yeah, 34 and move 32 na opposition members. Okay. PNP for Professor Bennett, late Professor Bennett, and Mr. KSP Jantwa late. When Omujai Kayaniam. Near Jayano, Jay opposition for Sanameke. The very next morning, and Mr. Kwamina, and Professor Kwamina, or that yes.
Yeah.
It's me fear watching Motor Road. Kobe and no Ben and Siano, so Kwamina, Kwamina, Atronic, question as home to Seminian Hunketua. Atro was my junior at Prempe. Kwamina, what money was you? Rollins is a member from Bra, Gonda Barracks, 2 o'clock, at Trembabia, Emenko, wow. Elwak Stadium in China. Some Chika before I near the Miko Gonda Barracks. Makwana was one person local government minister. Nakasa Nyemwe Day Jayeno. The party in for Victor Osu, Mr. Eke Deku, the return Shia or Victor Fee, Yanni Fee prison, or the Yan will be a party for Nico, Nom Kase, or no one no Mabakasa say, Onu Pesa national government with your party near them.
Okay.
And so Basso Mufraya, Yankadabi, Yanko, no Ghana, Nano Munkoy. The Rollins, my friends, that they know. No Casam in the logo, I'm Castrozo and Ra, the party for Catchay. Timate.
Local government secretary.
Secretary, the minister.
Okay.
Into Minimoya bear 6 months.
6 months. Okay.
But Sunday no musi governor. Sabi Sunday any government as yes and net.
Sana no omo de net saying.
Hey, PNDC. government anim deɛ nka yɛwɔ da bia wobɛsɛ cabinet meeting the president and now prime minister mo akɔtena ase wɔ castle wei deɛ yɛpointe ɛbɛyɛ sɛ 2-3 months na yɛhunu PNDC foɔ no koraa wɔm ne yɛmba meeting nti yɛnom a wɔmafrɛfrɛ sɛ yɛ secretaries no so a wɔkɔtena nti that time wɔma nipa bi de Mr. BBD Asamoah old retired civil servant bi ɔna ɔsɛ ɛkyɛma ɔno nso ɔnyɛ PNDC member nti yɛhunu ne yɛyɛ
asa hu hyɛ dan hu deɛ ɛkɔ so
nti by second month dakora ɛkɔ tena sana BBD ka kyerɛ sɛ anya message sɛ Rawlings so ɔbɛba meeting. Rawlings was the chairman of PNDC. Ọba no ɔne Kwadwo Chikata, Courage Kwashiga, PV Obin, Sacha Chusuka. No ɔde mbaeɛ bɛtena table cabinet room hɔ. Na they were because he talked down to us.
As a ɔteatea mu egu.
Sabio. Because we've been a couple of first of the minister and now ban or talk down. Your chairman BBD Asamoah, you get up, move your papers. Chairman out in the table, BBD channel. PV, na PV tonight. Grants it there.
Papa no.
Na PV bear chair of.
But na Papa ni bibia.
Why BBD a media me train. Yeah, we pay me kura na bom so cha me in film ni ade. Nim why. Nti ahwa no mood ni nyina asesan. Nti me say wenya abana minimum amepas money.
Say military nti different.
Oh me pacho. And just straight military PV obeno anya soja ni. Kwadwo Chikata we soja kwa no agya soja. Courage Kwashiga no agya soja.
Is it not and because that PNDs na kwa no ho say I no say military benya military.
Na diafra bisa.
Diafra yeah.
But in nonko they also imposed curfew. So curfew na last year from 82 na till say 85 or thereabouts bia. Anwumre no si ampanyfo na mabonta wanwane as mbeto. And
the whole country was in a state of BB.
Emuana judges because you are any other.
Judges,
na me ma me party mpani for da bia so me ho na me party mpani for kasa. Muka chum say. Ya pasi agigana na we dia.
Anode. Okay.
Intimi nye bio.
Okay.
Na mchro letter.
And will you say so, or will you consider yourself at a point and now you're part of PNDs in Anna?
Well, my catch was I'm secretary for local government.
Okay, but whilst we are with them, now what's happening? So
more food and mammy cry me place some years.
So were you still in bed with Vito Usumana?
Not in bed, they said, Ubakaza, yeah, be beyond what Gan and Teen and Panifono. So I'm generally of Winnipeg. Ono no ko bomo mo ko catch Victor no so mo pese. Bomo ye national government.
Okay.
Nti efi prison no bomo kan. Na mo ka se frɛ yanko.
Okay. Nti
in fact da no krom frame straight from Buganda Barracks me call Victor no.
Okay.
Mo catch them na mo catch them say suban kakra bia me hu no sa meeting am de start no. Mampe.
Okay.
Because Obisa late Dr. Jones Ferrata. We say what Parliament 79. Nanka Jones per se amend the Ghana Constitution. Near transitional provisions protect coup makers near the other. But per se any free constitution, a democratic constitution. I don't know the way Besham will be a yaman so amnesty and I be to say. Sana Nina Rawlings Marty. And Tiomi Yakuno. Jones not Tasano. Omoko ni fie soja for ko to tutubin. Nam say Jones ni atef nti okọ exa. Kotena exa about 10 years and san was abagana.
Nti o kasakura special opinion pe.
Nti dan no mo frɛ me no. Mo kansa me ko local government. Afi Rawlings we say and you people wanted to change the constitution. Na Kufuor na no de kasa. No kasa. The then speaker Griffiths Randolph. Yeah, ne daughter name is Kufuor. Amma kwankura masa amendment and kajonsi de ba amma na floor kora. But before no the intimate me feel am call catch the victim say. Microphone. One more approach no. Me say but I'm say yeah. Na me de shim. Me nam did by decentralization. This proposal called decentralization as far back as 1971. Local Government Act Nabuzia buying so proposed, but it soldier for betu buzia no man na adwuma.
Okay.
Intibazo me local government minister and secretary it's two no. Na Rollins Castle obianya blueprint of the government ministry. Number sign kofa buzia dem. The clinic akran of the course decentralization. Okay. Me free on them say kwam na when the local government no fire. Yes, say Ghana talks of decentralization. And see
1979 na okoye adwuma briefly na one power we free hono. Which means what's going to go back into business.
Oh, business yes, so be our choice.
Okay.
And so me too say work as my do over 80 na me wan hold na Ebianka me before.
Okay, enti what's not the one share adwuma ni mu enti the next change like visible change about Ghana around 1992
no and the senior current constitution.
Yeah.
The Fourth Republic, yeah. Here are Rawlings and promulgated our constitution. By allowing multi-party democratic governance. Into a party act in 92, and a new patriotic
MPP.
party. Into a presidential candidate.
Yeah.
Into I offered myself.
Okay. Into now only Dubuahen.
Dubuahen. I think J. Addison, Dr. Selby, I'm so Dr. Safodu. Nipa bensi asenso ye contested.
Ena muko jina ye ena
Professor Duwahin ya.
Efaye. Ena one Jerry John Rawlings ko jina ye na o wini ye.
Well, Sunday at the end say ya hunu mu ye.
Okay.
Ya hunu mu ye ti ena ma your party control stolen verdict.
Okay.
Yeah, just that time na Ghana for Abra Rawlings.
Okay.
Not on Ghana so by 10 years sir.
Okay.
I said businesses well nipa bohu pa nearly. After some rallies up and down the country now is a Ghana for change.
Okay.
After control beya na cleverly so electoral commission then Omamoto presidential election ahead of parliamentary no. Nti ko ba say I do challenge na fi e declare Sir Rawlings win.
Okay.
And a party no ko you say David. I weigh their verdict where they stolen verdict. Until you ask no parliament in Romfa.
And mo boycott parliament. Until 4 years later and
a party na essentially
and a party na sign share one Dubuahen.
Many Dubuahen go for big kika.
Any
Dr. Selby.
Judgments have come ho na wa ma.
That time na say judge by na beside by forgot am so no ba. Dr. Jones Forata, Dr. Selby omnyina by na me election.
And winnie ye. And one Rawlings.
Many Rawlings.
It is that time no for the first time Rawlings had transferred from 79 they see mid 90s and now on the kwako and ono dey woni because when we share with that. It's that how was the atmosphere like?
Well, my party for means no mo gidi so me chance correct.
Okay.
And into makaka kan memesaka. Party na mama bicycle correct to campaign until I had to depend on myself.
Until one and now we pray for national.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, party na select me there. But we had a campaign tia obi say Rawlings that time. Incumbency advantages now. Abani ya nidia.
Military police.
Wa brante ko baby amban fikura tim ka say oni na no wefe.
That time no say no ho ofe.
Broni ba no wefe. Na dia.
Gentleman no.
Na ja me nim brante kakra bi. and the Nama, pickups in the Makakrabi, up and down the country.
At this point, who were the known faces and nobody do it?
Largeness of
a film.
Kojum Piani, he's still around. Tommy Amatapo,
okay.
Onusuko. Gabin Katia Oko.
Okay.
Dr. Anani.
Richard
Awin Bantama with solid original. I'm Rantaka credit.
And I to Abano and Osanfa.
Or 5 days now, Electoral Commission to declare results. And point to cry, Chairman of the Commission, Dr. Afrajan, came on there saying that he wanted protection.
Okay.
Now protection there. Yeah, you need a knife for credit, but threaten. And if I challenge no one, and I was a control BBA, buying police, so Janina, and the Vasa Uranu. Rolling, so otherwise, why should the chairman of the Electoral Commission come out over there so he has protection?
Where they will sue
and that's what then the internet for Jambeka on there so he has protection.
Okay.
What must I
say? Okay. It's
eventually when they declared also Kufuor 39-point-something% against Rawlings that time.
That was good.
Exceptionally.
Exceptional. And now was called Gada for the next 4 years now, but by this time, Constitution, Rawlings a free game name. And it was so called because we are 72-10.
Well, even before, so best step down. The party, there were others in the party, and no more see the back of me.
Okay.
And into trample up charges be Tiami. Hey, back when I said I me call to America, say party supporters or no more $100,000 with the cut me private account. And you know, and into the then chairman of party, Peter Jete, was set up a commission under Mr. A.K. Deku, and penny for the back. So investigate it. And Kufuor Mukika Sassam. Back with us, back one free. After for evidence, bra.
Evidence, yeah.
Ghana for a year party go America. Mo be anti me for Bibiama.
So be for him now. It's as a party no more kuti I was saying a panel
because no more almost designs. So that goes and in Accra, we had rivalries now. Yeah,
rivalries na e wo
that. And by SSR commission. Uncle do baby anti amen. And a free me, na party no share was Nyani. 98 to pick a candidate.
It's 98, no. That time na wa konta JH Mensa or kweti yawo. It's na o wife support and all support ni nua.
No, I feel the much.
It's all support ni nua.
As far as I knew there or I could see no.
Okay. It's wo JH Mensa. Hata na do abamu
abamu. I'm Sir Jones Frata and Obusuka ho. Ni pakakra
Mali.
So do I am continue na do when they belong together.
Okay.
Do I am banana Kufuor.
And we need
clean.
Now on Professor Ivan Satamos na ekwakojina.
That time now Rawlings is a copy. For declaration, I offer meals. So I'm money party for no crime moment, and I'm more stand on with almost got a party.
Yeah, we stand on Munina, adult and Kufuor General Eskimone, Akoko, Dakon, and as for there were lots of because at this point now, as a measure, so no must starting near many as that TBA, master tip follow. This was the time and you may buy Kufuor. J.A. Kufuor, okay, sir.
Yeah, me is how to be then. I know I didn't have interview me.
Mekai, because Mekai, me mama koto calendar near dear say na ye near say yes.
Oh, and that's how I interview. My name is Aruma back me.
It's in I say ye need fear and you ufa baby gentle giant.
Oh well.
Sexy eyes.
Hey.
Kufuor. Kufuor. You became like a symbol of hope at the time. And now acquire quote unquote do or die. I'm a Ghana for say and was with me back at all costs. Yeah. Do you feel that there was this kind of pressure on you back then?
I feel the pressure, yeah. Anyway. Son of my life at home. Filming could have been I was like, I saw the chances as opportunities to fulfill my destiny.
Your destiny, yeah.
Maybe I'm person me nyakwan na me beye Ghana for hunu difference or buy near banter.
Okay, it's yanko about one so. Ya to aba ena aba ena when you 48%.
First round 48.4 na Mills near 44.
44. It's now was here called
second round.
Na that time na atmosphere net say Ghana.
Oh na I clear say.
Okay.
I feel the kwanu we. Na ne na ye fa say all the other parties apart from NDC. The Duana Bedi Machi.
Okay.
Kufuor Mekase Bianco Munye NPP da. To say Kwesi Pratt Kwaku Bako Womunyina Bejoin me.
Okay.
And that's second round no. Me de win here over Professor Mills.
Professor Mills no.
Me 56 point something percent.
Something percent.
Over Mills.
Now Ghana was thrown into a state of frenzy. And Kufuor near street carnivals, make pictures of Yaye Funda Kanya dia like party that I remember I checked but those memories, you know.
That's also a political power.
Oh, not necessarily. But me follow interesting. It's who share and no compare with China as from 79 no about for years, decades even. Na bedu say as a wabeye enidaswa moment nana, wasn't it a burden on you at the time?
Makes sense, mekano. Baka talk of my government ushering in the golden age of business.
Yeah.
That any party no. Yeah, so be parts as a private sector near quine, creative wealth,
okay,
near employment for the people.
Okay.
Because Ghana your potential kakraka. Nemo me my business quine.
Okay.
Inti na me sana meka mini ya fa mo mpanyimfo no Dr. JB Dankwankwa na manya na because me buy February 1 year detention on the
okay.
But we in few ha boy from mpanyimfo do nyina me no mo ya adwuma. Okay. Buzia Dombo Bobodini was Lamte.
Okay.
Omunyina.
Okay.
Until my ideas near the end. That's an American from 47 now when we are UGCC. Copy him Sabuzi and 2 years, 3 months, 69. Yeah, no such time I'm share politics. From 72 I jump on 2 years. Yes, I need nya power that. Yeah. Na economy no so aye basa. Copy him 2000. Your mama. Oh, buy no. Dia ba me set Ghana for say. Yeah, from no, you bet me I am a corona Dania ye. Okay. Until that was my challenge, and now I was, if you like, faced man fancy pressure, fancy challenge to prove say. You bet me I am a man. Sorry. Okay. We are bofra. O can say, "Oh papa, enu tutu kwan ma mo kodu baby ma." I said, "Come she be by say dachi ubeye onipatitiru." It's years, decades later no wabeye mampani ewo memu uhu ne se eho no na koye destiny fulfilled anase ekoye den. Well, bit me abomusa. Okay. But Jimmy this as at that point yes adrenaline na newo come shakra because in life no manya opportunity so we had this at Oxford University, a barrister at law at early age. My business for amani omuhunu me papa me mba near there na fe minim Ghana politics long opposition am hu kuro no osia kuro no na fe inclusive governance ya na Kufuor asantini omufisa asantini na dabi. In fact, 92, I'm challenging I do 4 candidates. Ashanti, 33 constituencies, minister minya 3 cry. Okay. Into other parts of Ghana, the maybe before 96 crasa. Into na me pekwan actually kabomo even across party lines. Okay. Into minya akwa obi se indom. No CPP ni ya. It didn't be PV or being stalwart of Rawlins's Britain for one term.
Okay.
Professor Hagen, who was also a presidential man position. At the time now, Obi Sir Boniface, Nomuni Adienina.
Na osha watu waba na yede Ghana na hye wonsa na okwe na futuo no sika bi gumu a wo be
bi asa nkrofo nim say hepek no na economy no da form.
Okay.
Ghana was not credit worthy.
Okay.
Ghana was insolvent.
Okay.
To boy your pabusia ba bia nya.
Okay.
Nti me hu sese ya ni IMF na come to terms. 4 years constitution dia man. I have 4 years no baso ni ntimi nya hwe. And so there na nka.
Wa makra nke.
Anan.
Okay.
And intini ni IMF for kokasai. 2001.
Some ko hepek.
Yes, beko hepek. Because a can man na pile guya so ne ade no. So only IMF ya na utimi manage you government economically and financially well. To restore your credit worthiness. I can't find better mama. And you call hepek no.
And hepek you were met with strong opposition.
Because they say Sabio, oh what country you ask for in say Sabi you were insolvent. One about Obia went into an okabosa. Any development partners now they were all shunning us.
Okay.
And now we are trying to say what they will chromo here on the Canadian. Well, 2001, Ghana gross domestic product so we are good per capita Ghanaian no nyanye. I'm saying about just $400. The TV shares are the near Timichu. By 2006, not the per capita GDP. No, I jumped from 400 to $1,300. And in the Ghana buy a middle income. And they are Ghana a middle income. So they are in the buy.
And I make CD the denomination also.
And so a Bank of Ghana, Dr. Paula Kwaudet. Disciplines I did go Ghana go Mubobo Sambasosa.
Okay.
That's a near man correct. I tell you, I see the no recover. Cocoa farmers, Nanka, near international market price. I buy for about 60% of my farmer and about 30. Yani changing no, say I'm for bigger share no my farmer.
Okay.
And until whereas 2001, total produce cocoa, then 360 or so thousand tons. And I mean, near this kind of my farmer, just spray all the farms for farmers, at the expense of the state. By 2005, now produce now jump to about 700,000 tons.
Okay.
Yeah, from 1920, Nagana and Cocoa doesn't change that.
And there was one thing and I very synonymous with governance. Reshuffling. Depending on the way you know.
Me per se, me minister for me adwene ko pese ye wadwuma ye to, if you like, salvage Ghana. Nti me hwe na o to kwa na o ye niam bia ame nkwa na madawase.
No amani pan bye bye.
Me say resign.
Okay.
Nti yes anema no.
Okay. And me kai say odi unua Kufuor be defense minister so be kasa bebre back then. Okay.
Nim na nkrofo nim ntra.
Okay.
Me nua yeah, very competitive.
Okay.
Na minimum so ono so odi ade jana. Obahesu pa.
Okay.
Na wani soja for no so koye fine.
Okay.
Uko Bema comes this year. Kohe Bema Hall. So that time a bugum. When upa the central structure wa Bema. Soja for meetings near the Akase now and Okohe the dice and after a day and we'll be at talk internet near the laboratory so Sisima. We put pride back into the force.
Okay.
Now help Ministry of Defense, no. So Airport in Chehon.
Airport in Chehon. And there was also a lot of talk concerning hotel motoye.
Me pacho. Me badia.
Okay.
Nanya bandia.
Okay. Okay, I said back then, I'm can't want some sir.
That's a never me from. That's my sabi me ni baby crack or winter for.
And also, you want to check this wow.
Oh, not get to trust me. And I know I can say Obana Fanta for number.
Allegation, we allegation. Obana Mada.
Oh, then taphobia no.
Bibia say anyhow.
Then taphobia no.
Okay. Into hotel and also the whole scandal say with the position at the hotel.
That be me patron. I buy this yana.
Yeah, buy this. Yeah,
buy. You see a friend of Saud.
Okay.
So offer Spring Texas. Once a Robin Hood hotel be.
Yeah.
Na Saud Kumasi ni na the free Kumasi.
Okay.
I know besi sad yeah. I know Bakacha some nam so that me politics na me. Me bapa ni ya na abone brand ya de. That have no price Waterhouse the man executive director. I'm so one family me ban. What the man. Now DJ Abosia recording now. And I could no dear Nadia. Hey, Kufuor.
Political administration area. Almost said this wow. And I pepe pencil.
Is a kaka Namenko and Gomu did knock him off.
They knock you off.
And Gomu Passia did knock
you off by ye.
And then the current.
Yabo Udia Ghana 40 make us say we are one of the best presidents or may etimi enya.
Yeah.
Yabo Kwame Nkrumah yabo Udin ka ho. And ususu say a dear na we ye dia nema be na obeka say wo sit back na look back obeka say we ni nema me ye ya masa abudi no ababeda woso.
Oh, Mr. Rob, so Ghana for the Ghana for Ntineka.
Okay.
Me nkwase obi asek bom din say.
Okay.
Me say. But we can democracy. Democracy pan is all respected the human individual. By a citizen okrum. Se nipa no ya bae ne ya beye kasapreko na ya mo bi kwanka bi ena ma bae nya accountable we is an gaba bom ni sa
nke mo din sa
ya ma Ghana 14 ka say sabe one musu ka ho bi
okay
repeal of criminal libel law so you are with the media
okay
yeah. First law you repeal and be person Ghana for mo kira mo adwene mo kasa Baba no oye ne amfata mo nhwehwe mu na mo nka mo obi ho because nipa no ti asesa anu na decided say to abakura akwa ba abokro no obopo o kan bi obi nka bi na tim dina so na de yi abambo ne afode ni nyina buwe kwa no mamanfo anu so achi so na meka se na ebu farmers na fe ya de to say ya buy ya see the cash and carry Ghana ni ba yare na ko hospital uniska and
health insurance
no we are near the buy
okay
yeah the maternity free maternity care buy yeah the F cube free compulsory universal basic education for all the children from kindergarten 4 years yes everyone could be 14 years through that no yeah Kufuor can come near person they protect girl child because can you know akoda di 10 na nipa no ye nyintem oni na mo bi osun okoton dokuna na nkate ne we na fura kakaka ya bi so ontimi jwa no ahweba teenage pregnancy sa afki betimi anu a breast ade na no ase
okay
and a lay foundation and the anya free SHS no
enti
yes anya man nyina afi busia banks e ba Ghana afi sabi ya yire no ya ma me no makola ni Kumasi market na afi na banks no na HSC
yeah
mo maje busia so na mekan ya any time na Ghana abe middle income ya time also ni Ghana extract oil and gas commercial quantities and the antunmi time but abe asset a ma Ghana mu yedu
okay
and ya no bebre
and na unu say ama Ghana for abejiwa tum say we one of the best presidents
Santino Muka ni oma hu ne adi hu adanse ya make am say anchi obi anko to detention Yes, Makana, I'm in
Debbie. And you didn't speak down any of
Debbie.
Okay, all right. And see, what's the form? Like I said, was said the next person about a bayer casas amongst MPP for say, Utrimi then, and I was also on that one, sir. Now we didn't chi, a data nechi. You know, there was that talk on so one. Do you agree to that assertion? Okay.
But rather, foundation in Nadaho. That's some Kanko. Yani and Croft 1%. Say 2008 election. We are party. Almost started MPs are biometro, but when in a be a party, no actually, you are beyond what could you in the NFO. Do you ask no? By 18 constituencies, be a Yania, you are contesting to votes.
Okay.
First round of that election, 2008, the presidential candidate led with 49-point-something%. He needed only 23,000 votes to have won. One touch over Mills. But I do want to copy him. So, Nyana, you've been my part in my I'm a part in Mwatiti. So, I'm about 18 constituencies.
Okay.
Because my government in the performance
was good. I wasn't a secure way, so it wasn't as though say not all support it until now we'll fight against Canada.
Alancha Martin. So Nimna Yabusan. Some Koku Krubi beside Jenna Fako BTOB, that means yes. On no what done the Alancha Martin, Frank and Crawford say, you win power 2001. My friend Cross of me enemy is also that. No, you might be the emperor. You and spawned. I say, Opposite, yeah, no, I did boy by. Or, yeah, the only no coiny presidential special initiatives. Yeah, beef for salt, cassava, oil palm, then clothing, textiles. No, no, person church, no, the boy. Until Baji minister, I said, David, 1 year, no, you and a Jumano. No church no wine. Anti a cherry answer tree. Many George Bush, America president, a person in a very special relationship. And inti me ambassador Bia. Me didn't work with America. So I say through that minute. And I'm a frail lunch matter. And I know say that you want to pursue in my Ghana schools. Mrs. Alancha Martin. And the catcher in Kufuor is our position. No way. But okay, many bushes here first time. The bed say nothing moves
another person to
special ambassador.
Yeah.
But me we are not presidential special initiatives already I started say. And I'm Kaswan Samra.
Okay.
No bad and I'm quite minister for trading. And I again whispering campaign because I said na bana me be prepare no so me knew how no be there. Na money no miss my money and that's suspicions. To be as Crawford take my cabinet table. We are close to changing our Kufuor. Alancha Martin Young Executive Forum from 2001. From 92. No me di Alancha Martin. Only one chairman. Then I'm a member of that body. Woman back him 90 friends in 92 no. Yeah, mark him in 96. Members my woman united. On our land no and challenge me.
Matthias here. After Waba if you are GMO na MPP party na Mabra from Victor Usmo time one there be seen na Bude Eja in Shimano. Na Kufuor abe take over no. Na o hwe said ya omo erane omo niema e fire as obi a wedi party na chache no uhu ne se omo adwuma ye
me pacho so ne okay. O hwe 2016 election year dey na by power no. Ya ko hwe niema o mu use to do their campaign. Bibia na Kufuor yes na Kufuor yes positives nko.
Yeah.
Na power no ko di bi no nsam na afei.
And I'm maybe saying, "Omo buy ye na fe power ni could do almost same way." O share amamu a MPP as a party. Ebu ya wa MPP party. President Kufuor MPP.
Ne shase no nanka ko fine.
Okay.
There been Mr. COVID. That there be whom be a buyer no kahuna a fee. Oh, no, I can't say Kufuor to manage COVID no ye.
Okay.
Near me near the but I know I'm more actually no. And I near money be customer as I am a boy.
To say the
so it's a bond market issues nearby. To say cathedral. So near it's a kukuru no near the no nafi antimianje.
Now to say in cathedral.
They are consult me.
Okay, but
some member cabinet. No answer about say bibi sa koso.
But what you say be see cathedral? Now when say ade here na.
Me pacho. One more. UTS and the music na me dem ka say bi kura privately no mo dey.
Okay.
And bom to akofa as a government and as there. But so to me see via. But we as a public resources no mo dey.
Okay.
And kobubu Bangladesh as judges near the team. But we are no. Adianso ni antimiansi.
And I didn't do.
And I be bit sa PDS bi so akoba eno so manhu ye.
Okay.
Until I bebre, but Mr. Macamima Sabio Marita, my Cocramity, Nameshe. Until Sir Nadia Bacoswa, I say, Osha say 2016 landslide near the winning side election nearby power. Now 2020 election, not tensions in Yamabiaba, and I fee about hang parliament here. NDC battery, it took just one vote, one seat in parliament to distinguish president when you're in majority, but now a reduced majority. Then 4 years later, last year, and anyway, no trust a Ghana electorate, you cannot take
them for granted.
It for granted. Be a lesson to politicians.
So we said then the MPP ni betimi as a party, betimi assign ejina omonaso.
Akuye.
Okay.
And my camp says my coach the Rocha, your chairman the Rocha from 92 on all can I say. That we are in a party doesn't mean we are friends. I may not like you, may not like me. But to be a party in the principles, no? Democracy, rule of law, respect for private sector and me pe ope nti yenye na for cry na principles on say the badge dia yanhwe ne yankamom na fantra Ghana for ebe person man.
Okay.
Nyanto na tumi no ba ya timi dia govern na sa principles see ya timi dia asum Ghana ma Ghana for any aje ho
se see awakọ ahomegye ma abetena fie anesa enti den na wo ye edikipu ho busy. Means I'm going for best as I don't be. And I'm Daruma. Yeah, accident been in Yama been to me, but I'm holding the images. Yamia Daruma.
Okay.
And now, Martha is a female.
On the benefit menu.
Until I review.
Oh, propose, Anna.
What's the
idea? Propose. I'm for this way, but say, baby, I'm
proposing.
No, that's a question. I'm saying more answer. So, maybe I'm saying, no, be propose, Anna.
Hey, boy.
Auntie, baby, I'm a doing. Me donipa.
Okay.
And socially, I get involved. I put you up Panibi, but in his 90s, Mkobusa and say, at the end, I'm watchers and wedding. Was it, bro, from us, just keep going.
Okay.
So I'll try certain age. I'll be down, so my bread. Now I have no quano.
Okay.
And Yamia Doroma, met me a quid. I try to keep going.
It's my question. They won't answer. On my review.
So, na me busa so be propose the abia imagine.
Is it propose the abia worry?
Now propose.
They be.
And then me ni ya no nto chance.
Mate nti we say o ma so o so anyinya wo.
Oh, nyame adaroma. Me manum. O mama me grandchildren 14 of them. And bankwa and watch.
Okay.
And that back but just last week when your branch find you about one fear.
Okay.
And to my man, woman has a marriage abo now. Quit to crimes were did 19 or university. The most catch room as a person whom in Nana and cancer phone. The most someone shall member papa before Mumra. No ministration of man and woman.
And send your unia penny 102 years, which means Mufi Muni pa. Been so answer. And see, age 86 or 87 do you hope to age to like maybe 100 and over? Or?
I need the Onyamism.
Okay.
Because Obianim near than in which. Okay. No, as a minimum crop for 100 sla, a bumper, I said, I mean, Kwanzaa, me a hodi. Obia all over the world, Nipabia, Australia, me for life and good health. And happiness, many back one, the back on happiness.
Happiness. Are you happy?
But otherwise, coming to me in smiling through. Oh. Me sure I'm offending what they are this way. I'm happy.
You are so cute. You are so cute. Yeah. And all looking back at on life, what can I say? A life I want living a sense, a life well lived as in.
Oh, and your life. And they make come me then you massive Debia. So it's a very blessed life, almost charmed life. Charmed
life.
Charmed because you asked me time. My all the 5 continents. Okay. Manantiso. Mpenimfua kesia me time there. Na shia mudodo na babia ya some so fine. Africa, my African Union chair, my ECOWAS chair twice. My called G7, G8 meetings. Bobodini.
Why are you
from Japan, Emperor of Japan,
of the very
Prime Minister of India. We had Jubilee House, India for virtually at the China. Jubilee House is your presidency.
It was about one of the charmed life.
Charmed. CHARMED.
Charmed life.
And Yamina Madonna said time, yeah.
And see, the American say, Kufuor, J.A. Kufuor, yeah, that's Passover.
Must make the mercy.